Hey guys, this is Madrid, aka The Real Madrid. If you could, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Today in this video, I will be doing Bantu knots, or as most call them, Chiney bumps. She's very excited, guys. She's not camera shy at all. First, I will part the hair in 3 sections, as this gives me a guide to part the rest of the hair in triangles. But yo, when she raised that one eyebrow, I was done. Now I'm adding hair just to make the braid a little bit thicker and a little bit longer for the desired style that I'm looking for. I've also added a small piece of hair to the Bantu knot just to give it a little bit of length and thickness. And that length is going to help me also just wrap it around real lightly to form the knot. While wrapping, you don't want to wrap too tight, because the knot is already going to make the Bantu knot tight in itself. So I use that taper end just to kind of hold the knot in place. And then I put like a small rubber band over it, no more than twice around the hair. Now I will be adding beads to the 2 braided pieces that are hanging below, and I will also be adding gold gems in the top of the knots. I use the beading tool, but we all know if you don't have that, you can always use aluminum foil, put it on the ends to slide the beads up. She was getting so excited as I was adding those beads. You know how it is. Once we get those beads on as we're little girls, we want to shake it and shake them and shake them. I know I did. I used to shake mine off. Braiding foam was then added to give it an extra finish. And she likes it, guys. 2 thumbs up, Zaza. Now we'll be adding the golden gems to the Bantu knots. And this is the finished look, guys. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them below. And again, go like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thanks, and I will see you on the next vid.